So guys, in this video, we are going to prepare a Maghreb dish, which is Shakshuka, or shall I say, poached eggs in a gravy. So now without wasting time guys, चलिए वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं. So guys, for the ingredients we'll be needing 5 eggs, 3/4 cup of finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon freshly chopped coriander, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 2 to 3 green chillies chopped, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt and pepper as per your taste, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. So now starting with the method, first you'll need to add oil in a kadhai. Then you'll need to add cumin seeds and let it sizzle. Then add 3/4 cup of finely chopped onions. Then add the green chillies into it. Then add the ginger garlic paste and let it get cooked for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add tomatoes. Then coriander and mix it well. Then add salt and pepper. Then the red chili powder, coriander powder, and add the turmeric powder. Now mix it well. Then add water at least 1/4 cup. Then cover it and let it get cooked for at least 2 minutes or until the tomato gets mushy. Now my tomatoes have got mushy. I am adding cream and let's mix it well again. After mixing it rigorously and thoroughly, make a dent. Add eggs into it. Then add salt and pepper a little bit to give more taste. Then cover it and let it get cooked for 5 minutes. Now see, shakshuka is ready. I hope you all liked the recipe. If you all did, like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video and comment down below how much you all liked it. And before going, just check out the revised recipe.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया।